Hey, hi, this is Manjunath Chandraya. Today we'll be learning how to add a slicer to a data tab. So I have a small data with the region, product, salesperson, sales and the month. So we need to add the filters by adding a slicers. So once you have the data, just click somewhere on the data, go to insert and insert, go to table form. Once you click, this data will forms into a table form. Once it is done, so you can go to insert. Towards the right, you can see the slicer here. So we have all the headers here, region product. So what all things you needed, you can add it here. So let me take it as region and the we want to keep it product. So I can have these two. Click OK. Once you have, so you have these options here. So let's format this. Just click on it. Go to slicer again here on the top of the header settings. So we have 4 here. Okay, you can go to the right. You can see number of rows is 4. 1. Let us change it to 4. So now it is changed. Let's just change it to 3. So now I can just set it this. So I can drag this down. So once you're done, just pull it. Okay. So now you can see my data. You can go to view. So you can remove the grid lines to look much. Right. So you can, if you want, you can color it different. So if you double click on it, go to sliders, change it to any other colors. Okay. Let's keep this color. And this we can give it as green. Okay. So I think this should be fine. So let's change it to okay. So we have these options here. So once you click on this east, data gets sorted filtered by east here. Under this, we have two options here: mobile or table. So you can select tablet. Let's fix this. So if you want to clear the filters, you can see a option here: clear filters. Clear it. You can see entire um, tablet has three units from the different salesperson mobile. If you want to unfilter it, you just click on it. It gets unfiltered. So we can use it and easily can filter, and you can add graphs for this too, so that looks more. If you don't want this color, just you can go to design. So there are a lot of options. We can use anything. So let me take it as this back. So now it has become the old format. I hope this session was helpful. Do let me know for any other function. I'll try to create a video on it. And thank you for your time. Happy learning.